Hi, so today we'll talk about managing money and the conversation around it. Um, first is having your habit about how to manage money. So, it is about regular saving, regular taxes, regular keeping money aside for your monthly expenses, then for buying something, and then contingencies, health issues, all over that will go to contingencies, yes. And of course, in charity. So, 5 to 10% of your regular income should go in charity. So, that brings blessings whether you believe or not. So, if you are kind of contributing for charity, for something good happening in society, then here is one avenue for your contribution. So that is how you get committed to your society, and that is part of your responsibility as well, and also part of your money management. And it takes some time to be good at money management. So every month, making a budget of your usual expenses, then some unforeseen expenses, plus your saving, investment, and all that for short term, mid term, and long term requirements. Yes, and it takes time. Yes. So, and it is about talking about money. So always talk about having a positive aspect of about having money being in abundance rather than in lack. So when you use the when you don't have enough money and you are financially weak, describe yourself as a broke rather than poor. Poor is a mindset issue, and which leads to kind of being handicapped. And when you are there, you are not experiencing it actually, and you are imposing a some kind of handicap on you to progress further. But when you explain your things, your circumstances as broke, which means it is temporary and it is an experiential condition with your life. You are kind of experiencing some kind of gift through that uh, through that circumstances, having a financial requirement which is not there immediately, no any resources for you to take care of that financial condition, so that is there. So be careful about your words about around money. It has to be something very positive, and you should look and sound very optimistic about your life and whatever blessings that is there behind that all kind of happenings. So all our life is a learning, and the launching pad for something bigger. So it cannot be something which is ruining you and sabotaging your potential. So we need to be very careful about our money management talk, and we should be positive about it. And if we learn how to do it practically, automatically our language also differs and it becomes very positive. So take care and be careful about your money management talk. So all the best. Thank you.